In this video, I will show you how you can enable or disable the fingerprint animation on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, if you have noticed that there is a fingerprint animation on the lock screen of your Samsung phone, and if you want to turn it off, then for that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. Over here, just tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics, then enter your lock screen PIN. After that, just tap on Fingerprints, and on this page you will find the option for Show Animation when unlocking. Now, if you want to disable the fingerprint animation, just disable this toggle. And after you disable this toggle, you will disable the fingerprint animation on your Samsung phone. Just like that. Now, if you want to enable the fingerprint animation back on, just go back to Settings. Now just tap on Lock Screen and AOD, then tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Fingerprints. But this time just enable Show Animation when unlocking. And after you enable this toggle, you will enable the fingerprint animation on your Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.